I think about our journey and what we considered when looking for a home, it started with a checklist and what's important to us in order of priority. First, we wanted privacy, which to us meant being able to look out the windows without seeing our neighbors. Close enough to know who they are, but far enough that we don't know what they wear to bed. Next, we wanted lots of light and a connection to the outdoors. Set on over an acre of wooded land, the tall trees are amazing. We were able to take down all the window coverings and let the sun shine in. Entertaining was important, not just dinner parties, but having family and friends come to stay for days, sometimes weeks at a time. The house with the master suite on one side and the rest of the rooms on the other means that, whether it's teenagers in their bedrooms or cousins in the guest rooms, our privacy and serenity is guaranteed. Finally, we wanted what we call better than new. Duxbury Gardens built the rock walls and designed the gardens that surround the home and welcome our guests. Mature trees, beautiful lawns, and carefully selected plants are all fed by a 9-zone sprinkler system. Inside, high ceilings, beautiful trim, and custom built-in cabinets in the master bedroom, living room, and family room are all signs of quality and attention to detail that you just can't find in new construction at any cost. Well, that was our list, and the house checked all the boxes. Bonuses included a cook's kitchen with double ovens, 6-burner stove, warming oven, and a wine chiller, a heated garage, because who wants to get into a cold car in the morning, and a huge walkout basement with large windows and a separate entrance. We used it for casual entertaining, but it could easily be converted into an in-law unit or vacation rental. Location is always tough to read. The realtor drives you around, you do your best to triangulate, but inevitably you lose track of just where you are. I'll try to give you some of the basics. First, we're just 2 minutes from Long Beach, 6 minutes from the shops, restaurants, music, and theaters in downtown Plymouth, 10 minutes from Pine Hills, 15 minutes from the Cape, and it's only 50 minutes to Boston Logan Airport. When you turn left on Old Sandwich Road, it's just 2 minutes to the highway. A right turn takes you immediately into the rolling hills and horse farms that define Chiltonville and make this such a special place to live. Close but private, better than new, very rare attention to detail, all things that define this home and made it the right place for us. Have we done anything to the house in the last few years? The answer is yes, we have. We paved the driveway. The original gravel was a mess in the winter. Rebuilt the deck with composite boards. Replaced the carpeting. Painted the walls and built a beautiful high-capacity custom closet in the master. The house was turnkey when we bought it. I don't know what to call it now. What I do know is that I've talked long enough, and I thank you for listening. If you're anything like me, the narrative may have distracted you from the images on the video. go ahead and run it one more time with the sound off. I guarantee you'll see something you missed the first time.